Experiencing call drops on your OnePlus phone? No worries. Let's troubleshoot call drop issue together and get your calls back on track on your phone. So let's dive in. Solution 1. Turn on VoLTE calls. First, go to Settings. Then, tap on Mobile Network. Now, select your SIM network. Find the VoLTE calls feature here. Simply toggle it on. Solution 2. Turn off call bearing. Go to Settings. Tap on Mobile Networks. Next, select Call Settings. Then, Career-related settings. Find the call bearing option. Disable all restrictions. If the issue persists, let's explore some more solutions. Solution 3. Turn on Auto Select Career. Go to Settings. Tap on Mobile Network. Choose your SIM network. Below, you will find the Career feature. Tap on it. Turn on Auto Select. Solution 4. Change the preferred network type. Again, go to Settings. Tap on Mobile Network. Select the SIM with data issues. Find preferred network type. Choose 5G or 4G or 3G or 2G Auto. Restart your phone. There you go! Hopefully, your OnePlus call drop issue is resolved. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those calls connected.